Thank you for tuning in to the Pointless Talks podcast. This episode is being brought to you as a part of the many things that Pointless creates. For our returning listeners, thank you so much for coming back. And if this is your first episode, welcome, get comfortable, and please keep an open mind. Hi, hello.
Anyway,
No.
good night. That's what you mean by good night. Good night. Good night. Good night. Cheers. Cheers. Good night. Hold on. There's my
Good
Little
night.
Wayne mixtape intro.
Mm-hmm. So
Mm-hmm.
this what? The 420 episode
Oh
69.
shit. Yes.
You got your list?
Big up
Oh,
all
Jesus.
herbalist rotted. You didn't even remind me. But I listen, that's not for Putin. What is that? Top five?
I
Top five,
guess I'm
Zing?
free balling.
What do
Everything
you
is
have?
off the top of my head. I have nothing. Okay. I'm just going to think about it when we get to the part of the conversation. We'll
Dog,
get
let
to
me
it.
tell you how never remember myself. Jesus. Listen. It's not me. It's what we're celebrating. Um, yo, big up all herbalists and all these things.
Do
You
real
know, for the
smokers
real.
still celebrate 420 though?
That's what I was gonna say. For the real herbalists, that is every day. That's a play or something. That's for the CBD people.
Oh my
Oh my
gosh.
god, let's let's go get some CBD.
Speaking of, I didn't even
And
go
be
to that
thinking,
thing. I was out having a life.
what life you was having? Nigga, talking about you was out having a life. Walk me through your life.
Listen, I
Walk
end
us
up
through
in a
your life.
rotation with like 4 blunts, and I was like, y'all
You was in
niggas
a
smoke for
you
real. I
always in a
didn't smoke.
rotation
I'm
with people
always
blunts,
passing
yo.
or looking at people like I don't participate. Sorry. But yeah, I was sitting there drinking my Jack
Mm-hmm.
and,
You always end up
yeah,
in somebody's session.
everybody
Always.
smoke. I'm like the only person in
You
the
be
world.
catching ill contact, son.
I never know because I'm always
I
drinking.
think you do. I think you
I
catch it. I
probably
definitely
do.
think you catch it. I
I
think there's been
probably
times,
do.
even with us, like, and you have definitely caught that shit. I'm looking at your eyes and I'm like, yo, this nigga don't even know right now. Like, she lit a little bit. She lit a little bit right now, but
Yo,
okay.
remember back in the day at Kingdom Studios, bro? Like, oh my gosh. When they used to hotbox that damn studio when we'd be recording.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, probably definitely happened. But before we get into all of that fun, I already
Yeah.
told you, but I need to tell the people them just in case they be like, damn, that girl still didn't send your letter. Dog, she sent my letter.
Oh, for those who well, you gotta like even bring it back to
It
like
was
why it's
yeah,
even
the
funny.
I can't remember which episode that was. One of the recent episodes. I came on here being me talking about how this girl didn't send me my letter from God you know how long and Ray Tay Tay. But apparently shit's been happening and
Mm.
I got my letter. Funny enough though, she did not listen to the episode. So it's like on her own accord, like she sent it because, like I said, shit been happening or whatever. So she explained all that in a letter or whatever, whatever. And I was like, because okay, so I have my notifications on for USPS so that whenever something goes in my mailbox, I get an email that says, "Hey, you have mail in your mailbox. Either it's a package or a letter or whatever," and it'll show
Mm-hmm.
like a little picture if it's a letter. For some reason, I guess they updated the settings, so now I have to log into my USPS to see the images because it doesn't send it straight to my email anymore.
Right.
So I just knew I had letters. I didn't even know what it was. I go check my damn mailbox. I was like, "What is handwritten something? What is?
You
What is?"
stupid.
I
You
look in the top
stupid.
left and I see the name. I said, "Jesus Christ, Kuya." I
You
said,
stupid.
"Damn, she
You bring
probably heard."
her up. You bring up people.
Listen. I was like, "Shit, I should have." I was like, "Damn, I wonder if she listened to my episode. She probably cussing me out." Surely did not listen to it. Not one Ross. I was like, "Ooh."
You should just keep it 100. Be like, you should probably go listen to this episode because I definitely was talking about you,
Oh,
sister.
I'm definitely gonna write her back and be like,
Just
so
keep it 100. Be like, I just want to let you know, like, I kind of was in my little feelings, just a little
yeah,
feeling, not the big
you
feeling
know,
about you not writing me back, and I talked a little shit.
hmm
But it's you see, maybe if I ain't do that, then
yeah,
you wouldn't
because
reach
she
out.
was supposed to start the writing though, because like she asked me for my address and I was like, yes, I sent it to her after like I got my place and moved in, was settled or whatever, and I
Yeah,
was like, okay, so you're gonna start it, bet, and then like I was just like, bitch, why the start ain't happen? But we know everything's good, everything's copacetic. I did text her
look
one
like
of
you
the
look like your little
episodes,
pen pal, answer.
because I love to write me a little
Playing a
letter.
feel we about to be a little pen pal. I'm glad.
Love to write
I'm
me a
glad you
little
find us a
letter.
little friend, master. Come across the keys.
You Aggie.
So look here, right? So the 420 thing. Last time, I
Yeah.
don't know if some of y'all remember or whatever. All right. I said I was gonna find some songs, right? Or
Mm-hmm.
make a playlist, whatever. I just made a quick little playlist. I got like 6 songs on it, right? Like 2 seconds. 2 seconds.
Okay, so just so they don't shut us down, do like 20 seconds or less of each song if you want to do like a little preview or like a little chorus or whatever,
Um,
just for the people them who might not know the songs
me
or
never even know
or
you want me.
deaf.
Me never know you want me to play it because I was just gonna name it, but I guess for purposes of
I
people know
mean, we
what
could
I'm
just be
talking
ghetto and just
about,
hold up the
right?
phone to the mic. We don't have to do no official nothing because that's more work for me.
Okay, so you want me to play it? Watch out, watch
I
out.
mean,
Let
if you
me.
feel like it.
I can.
Mm.
Number one for me.
Boy,
And if you don't know, I don't know what to tell you.
if you don't know this song, yes, I'm a
Right. This is
ganja
like for the
farmer.
real
Boy,
herbalist.
that's definitely on there for me. That should make me want to smoke weed.
You see what I'm saying? I don't know. I feel like my list is like I don't know. I have a little bit of
Is it a
that.
Jamaican
Then,
ass list?
funny enough, the last one is not. But
Okay.
of course,
Yes.
me not play it in a lot. Me don't want nobody
Human being
no ring to me.
untrustable.
The name of the song is I'm gonna call it Flowers. Flowers is my best friend, and that's by Poppy. All right.
Yes.
Last one, it was my quick three. Like, there's a lot that I like, but for me, but this is funny
Hmm.
enough. This is not dancehall. This is not reggae. But
Oh, that's that New York shit.
you already know what's going on. Stop playing. So
Very fitting. Very fitting.
that's it. All right.
Hmm.
Styles P for those, get your life together. But
For the young folks who don't
that make
know.
me feel like I'm in a music video. That's why I like
Really?
that one. But those are three of mine. Do you have a three that you
Okay.
like or any song
All
in
right.
particular
So
that talks about the stuff?
let me see. This gonna
The great
play.
flower. Okay, okay, lip sync. Okay, lip
Okay,
sync.
sorry. I love
First
this
of all,
song.
that's very groovy, and I feel like it would sound very crazy on vinyl.
Listen, Bone Thugs and Harmony, I was
Yes.
obsessed at one point in my life. This song, like, definitely gives very groovy. It's called Flower Song since we're being cute or whatever.
No.
But
Right, I was about to say, don't do it.
since
Yeah,
we're
that is
being
very much.
cute,
That's a vibe.
yes.
Yeah.
Yes. And where's my other one? I didn't even make a list. I just
That's a nice chill little, right?
yes.
Or you riding slow and it's like you feel me
Got the windows
sunset,
open and
you know what I'm
shit.
saying? Nice little breeze is perfect.
This is
Yeah.
throwback as hell, but
Here we
definitely a
go.
fave.
It would be. It would be. It'll be plenty.
All right, that's it. But if you don't know
Listen,
that song, also though,
Rick
like,
James, bitch.
listen,
Let's
yes, I'm
go.
a definitely one of those like groovy, chill people. When I get into my moods or whatever, so that song definitely is a fave. And the last one, y'all gonna be so over me.
You got one for me. You got another one.
I
Oh,
don't
you
know even know if I want to play this. I
Of
don't
course,
even know.
the non-indulger would have the playlist for you. That's okay. At least if
But
you not, at
no,
least if you in the
this
room, we know you know how to set the mood. You know.
exactly. Okay, so this is not as groovy as the other ones. It's more of a comedy. I'm
Okay.
just gonna preface it and just say it's Afro Man, Colt 45,
Oh
because
boy.
I'm a weirdo and I
Oh
love this
boy.
song.
Oh
So let
boy.
me see where it comes in at.
Uh-huh.
Let me just
It was this blind man, right? He was feeling his way down the street with this stick, right? Hey, He walked past this fish market. You know what I'm saying? Fish market. He stopped. He took a deep breath. He said, "Good morning, ladies."
The whole
This is
song
very
is
you.
just
Yeah,
bullshit,
yeah,
like
okay.
legit. And okay, so that was Colt 45 by Afroman. And if you've listened to any Afroman song, you know that he be on some bullshit. It's just like the art of storytelling kind of thing, but
Mhm.
it's just him. It's just a bunch of bullshit, honestly. It's a dumbass song. Obviously, the nigga was high when he did it, but it's like the contrast from my other like mellow vibey whatever. It's just funny to me. So there's that. So yeah.
Big up all the herbalists and those who support the herbalists. Anyway,
Buy an ashtray.
yes, do that. Do that. Do that. Do that.
Oh my gosh.
Whoa.
I'm about to
Whoa.
have new shit on the website. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. I got some new molds coming tomorrow, 420 today. What, bro? I gotta show it to you afterwards. I'm not even gonna spoil the surprise, but you're gonna be so excited when you see the shit. Like, oh, I'm so
It's
excited. Yeah.
tough. It's tough. It better be tough
Yes.
too for all that shit you just did, honey. Let me tell you that.
Yes.
It better be giving because all of you scared the shit out of me just now. It better be giving, okay?
No, because I just thought about it and I've been trying to find this mold since I started making the molds because someone asked for it
Oh,
specifically. And I'm like, bro, I can't find that shit nowhere. And like
it's like
this
a booty hole
morning,
mold or something.
I wish.
You
but
weird, bro. What? I was joking,
but
like, haha.
that would have been cool though. Like outed on okay. But
Weird, bro. What the
but I freaking oh something just said like search it this morning while I was on Amazon doing bullshit because I be on Amazon doing bullshit, and I searched it and it was literally one listing for it and they said they had like 3 more left. I was like, bitch, order now. So it's coming tomorrow. I'm excited.
I'm happy for
More
you.
shit to make.
I'm very happy for you. Truly.
Thank
Touching my
you.
heart. Truly.
When you see it, you're gonna be like, bitch. I already know. I can't wait. I can't wait till that shit comes so I can just make something and like just yes.
I love this for you. You know. Give you
Okay,
give
so
yourself. Well, that people them streets. Anyway,
you know,
what has happened since what's been happening? I don't even what has happened. What's been happening?
dog, have you been on Twitter today or any social media today?
Like
DJ
it
Envy.
it be I'm glad we're on the same page because
Okay,
I was gonna talk. I wanted to
okay,
say something about
because
that
it's
as
episode
well.
69, so he just led the pathway for that
Oh,
conversation
69. Big up to
because
myself as well. This is 69. It's like the 420 episode. It's everything. What's going on? I like it.
listen. What else is on here before I even get into that one?
That's a lengthy
Okay, we can
one.
do that.
That one is too hot to start with.
That
Like,
one. No, we can jump into that one. It's just I. Okay, so you saw the video, heard the audio, whatever, of the clip from his interview with the Shade Room with his wife, right?
yes, it was sent to me. Yes, yes.
Okay, so for those who don't know, DJ Envy and his wife Gia, whatever the hell her name is, they got like 50,
Oh
11
no.
teen children, right?
Oh no.
And they have a podcast together. And for those who don't know, DJ Envy is 1/3 of the Breakfast Club with Charlamagne and Angela Yee. Whoop de whoop, whatever. So,
Whoa.
first of all, the fact that like he subjected himself to this, knowing how Charlamagne be roasted him, I feel like he has a humiliation kink. But we'll get to that. So, him and his wife went and did an interview with the Shade Room. Now, I don't know what the full context of the conversation is, nor do I care, because you really got on any recording platform with your wife and
Uncle Sam.
continued a
Internet.
conversation in which your wife openly admitted, which you endorsed, that you don't give her orgasms and that she fakes these orgasms. This bit, listen.
You see what Jada did?
Listen.
You
This
let
woman
one get away.
said,
You let
bruh.
one get away, everybody starts singing.
This woman said that she fakes it because she sees that he's putting in the work. So she feels that the reward is her moaning and groaning and hollering and hooting so that he feels good about what he's doing. I'm sorry.
I
Excuse
wish
me.
I could go to work, do no work, and get paid. Sounds good.
Just look busy, because I look
Just
busy
show
all
up.
day long. I
Just
look,
show up. Just tap
I
on the
can look
keyboard.
busy. A
Just tap on the keyboard,
participation,
but not actually type anything and go home and get paid. Sounds good to me.
participation, okay? A participation award. This is me, right? I'm sorry, but sex is supposed to be mutually beneficial, in my opinion. I feel like both parties should enjoy their parts touching. Maybe I'm crazy. Maybe, maybe I want too much as a woman. Y'all wild. You out here faking orgasms in your marriage? No, the part that got me was she said all the time, and I'm stressed. Y'all got like 7 kids.
I just need you 10 years. 10 years, she said. 10 years of no orgasm. 10?
7 children, or however the fuck. Them have more than
How
3,
many
Pitney.
children? I just forget, girl, the kids. The fact that you had all them kids and didn't have no orgasm.
My thing is, the fact that you married a nigga that wasn't giving you no orgasm. Fuck all of that.
Yeah, let's start there.
Y'all dated,
Let's
boyfriend and
start there.
girlfriend, fiance, husband
She
and
probably
wife.
one of those. Oh my gosh, it'll get better. Year 2. Oh my gosh, it'll
You
get
must
better.
have blood
Year
clot,
5.
mad.
Oh my gosh, I swear it's gonna get better. Year 8. It's still gonna get better. Now you at girl. What the fuck?
No, it looked like she don't even care if it get better, because she wants him to think he's doing a great job. Listen, lady, stop lying to these men.
And how into it is
Stop-
she? I guess.
Stop
at the end
lying
of
to
the day?
the man said that she be
Okay, so my thing is,
First of all,
okay, she did not orgasm, which does not mean that it did not feel good, right?
mm-hmm.
So it could have felt good to her. She just ain't
She
get
could have
to
just
reach the peak.
came.
So this is where she got the oohing and the eyeing from. It's like she
Mhm.
didn't get to finish the race. Basically.
Nah, she said she faked it so that he could feel good.
So none of it was giving. I don't.
I
As
feel
a
like
nigga like myself, I'm
I'm-
sorry. I don't understand these kind of things. So it's very hard for me to wrap my mind around.
Me
the fact that
either.
you can't make this happen for yourself, and I don't understand.
Listen, can we take a flashback into back in the days? Do it nice and do it nicer, because excuse me, what? Excuse me,
If
what?
You know.
Excuse me, what? Listen. I don't need you to say anything. I will read body language. I will know what is happening. Okay?
That's crazy to me. Like, and
As somebody that is pleasing woman, you should be able to tell without the audio, without all the excitement, whether she's coming one or if she's having an orgasm. If you have ever been inside of a woman, you can feel when that shit is doing what it's supposed to be doing. That lets you know that you're doing what you're supposed to be doing. Okay?
Right.
I'm just.
Did you give the rated R?
I'm sorry, we
PBMA,
grown.
whatever?
All of my episodes say explicit when I upload them, so y'all grown.
Roger that.
I don't even put that on there. That should just say explicit. I was like, damn, I like that though.
The gabies, honey. The gabies might
listen.
For
For the gabies though, please read body language. And for those of you who are faking it, listen. I'm not gonna sit here and say I've never faked it. I'm not gonna say that. But
Shame
in my 20s,
you deserve to be backed up. I don't
in
care.
my
you deserve to be backed up. Cause you lying.
Yes. Because when I was younger, like my early 20s, I might have faked a little something. But now, you fake what? Y'all heard what Megan Thee Stallion said. I'm not faking shit to make a nigga happy. Sorry. No. You better put in the work.
Like, sometimes maybe it's not for like 10 years. You got people that's like, sometimes it happens, sometimes it don't. Sometimes it happens, sometimes it don't. Right?
And I'm sorry, I know there are going to be some people who are confused, like, well, what's the difference between coming and having an orgasm? I'm so sorry for you. I'm so sorry. A lot of women don't know the difference. No shots at anyone. And I'm not going to say it's your fault, but y'all should stop faking. That's step 1. Actually, no. Backtrack. Step 1 is explore yourself. That's step 1. Get comfortable enough with yourself to touch yourself here and there. Touch a nipple. Play with your little vagina. See what feels good. Try some shit. Get a toy. Do it without a toy.
Like a little one. What if it ain't little?
You ever say big? Anyway,
listen, big up the Buffies. Okay.
The guy that will come from Buff Bay and all them things there,
okay,
but
the Buffies, my girls,
the good sister in them over there. So, but at the end of the day, like I keep saying, I've always said, how can you give somebody something you have no experience with? Like, you can't sit here and be like, oh, here, do what you want with it, when you ain't never played with it yourself or know what makes this thing tick. And literally, it ticks if you do what you're doing, what you're supposed to be doing. Okay, I'm just, but
I don't feel bad for grown folks.
me
I don't feel
neither.
bad
I
for
mean,
grown people
okay,
that don't know. Like, there's too many resources and things. And what the hell? Talk about it. Listen. Truly listen. Be in tune. That's why you need to be in tune with who you're doing these things with.
that part, because
Shit.
I kind of have a little bit of sympathy for like women
No,
who
no,
don't.
no, 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 no
Look a bit, look a bit,
sympathy.
look a bit. Hear me
No,
out,
no,
hear me
no,
out, hear me
no,
out, hear me
no.
out. Because society and religion make it so that a lot of women feel like sex is supposed to be like for the sole purpose of reproduction. A lot of women feel like, I don't have to enjoy sex. A lot of times when you see, like, even like when we were kids, like things that they would like in sex ed, they'd be like, oh, it might hurt or whatever. Listen,
I'm not
sex
trying
is
to
not
hear
supposed
this.
to hurt.
I'm not trying to hear this. I'm not trying to hear this. So
Sex
you know
is,
why?
for those of you
For those
who,
to what you just said, I'm not trying to hear it because
I'm just saying, people are
you can
wrapped
push
into that
yourself
mindset
you can
though,
push yourself forward in all these other ways. But sex is where you draw the line. You can
because it's
say I'm a new
taboo,
I'm
and
a
I
new
don't.
and progressive woman. I am today's woman. I work and I take care of my house. I do all these things. I'm superwoman. However, though, but when it comes to sex,
I had a woman tell me before
no, it
that she
don't work
thinks
that
it's
way. Chicks suck.
gross to touch herself.
All right, well,
And
shit.
I was
She
like,
gross
why do
then,
you think it's
Does she not
gross?
like
Like
herself? I'm gonna start there. Do you not like yourself? You got a
that.
smell. You have issues. What you got going on?
Jesus
You have
Christ.
problem? Like,
My God.
if you got a clinic, oh,
Listen, okay, and also y'all need to go to the gynecologist. Is in y'all big
hell.
age, especially if you're having sex, you need to go to the gynecologist. Even if you're having lesbian sex, you still need to go to the gynecologist.
Mhm.
I'm gonna just leave that right there. Yearly checkup, once a year. That's all you need to do. And make sure they do a full panel scan and testing
Coochie
when they
facts.
do
Gotta
that.
get the coochie facts.
Because y'all be having shit going on and y'all don't know what's going on. Y'all got discharge, y'all don't know. Listen, listen,
Odors and
listen.
stuff, and then
Itchy, scratchy,
mm-mm.
like
Not itchy, scratchy. Woo.
like you out here with shit going on. You don't know what it is. You think it's normal. You got people eating discharge. Like, come on
Itchy,
now.
scratchy, like the month of July. God
Listen, don't do that to July. Okay, I mind on that. Don't do that.
crab, honey, crab.
Leave us
Exactly.
alone. Leave us alone.
Did you miss the point? Yo,
Leave us alone. But honestly though, if you're not even in a relationship, when you start having sex with someone, if you don't feel comfortable telling them, oh, shift this way, look a bit, dung this, or look a bit, or oh, can you not do it like that? Like, don't fuck me like that. Fuck me like this. If
no.
you don't feel comfortable saying that to the person you're having sex with, maybe in a nicer way, whatever, you shouldn't be
But
fucking them.
but this the thing also. People go from one partner to the other thinking that whatever worked on this partner is gonna work on that partner.
No,
Wrongo.
no.
Like
No, no.
that's not how that works.
Mm-mm.
So what you think you're doing over there might not work over here. So you need to. But I mean, if it's your first few times, try to. People so worried about getting to it and getting it right and proving this thing that they miss the whole point of learning. Like, this is your first time experiencing this person,
You know,
so
it's funny you say
you're over
that.
here trying to learn them. What feels like this? What is this? When I touch you here, what feels
There.
like it? What sounds you
Hmm.
make? How does your body move? How do you start to breathe? Like,
Listen,
come on, like what?
I want y'all to know
Whoa.
that is my favorite part of like getting to know like a new sex partner. Like, damn, I sound like a hoe, but whatever. That's my favorite part. Like
Ah,
the ooh, what works there? Oh shit, you done found that spot. Damn, I have to tell you that. Hey, like literally, like the exploration
that's
portion.
your
Like,
favorite part? No, I like when I know
yes.
them and I can exploit them.
Okay, well,
Ah,
my nigga,
whenever
that
and
part.
however I would like,
Yes, that's my favorite
Yeah,
part
that's my
on the
shit.
giving
Yeah,
end. On the
that's my
giving
shit
end,
there.
that's
Yeah,
my favorite part.
cause don't
On
play
the
with me, cause
receiving end, though.
I know exactly how to lean into that thing. So don't play with me.
Oh, speaking of, I might need somebody to come on the mic real quick because I have a topic that is on my heart. Okay, so
Uh oh. Uh
right.
oh. Uh
No,
oh.
because I've been seeing this shit on Twitter, and I, as a woman who does not get strapped, I I have concerns. So apparently the dykes be having little dicks.
Mm,
I need to
okay, so
understand.
you need. Do you need? You
I
need me
need
to.
people. I need people to jump on the microphone
All
if they
right,
feel so
you
inclined
coming
because
to the
I have
mic? You
questions.
jumping on? You feeling? You
I
up
have
to it?
questions.
You gonna introduce yourself and all of that? Listen,
I
special
have
guest.
questions,
And all
okay?
of
Because I am concerned.
that. This gal coming on the mic. Nah, this is my sugar honey bun.
Kuya, Ray, Woyoy.
Hello.
You gonna introduce yourself?
Hi. I don't know.
Well,
Your
anonymous.
name ain't giving out. Yeah.
Okay, so as the resident femme on, the podcast, background, etc., I have questions because I've been hearing, okay, backtrack all the way to the beginning. Let's say,
Mhm.
right, when you first start talking to, wait, hold on. You date femmes? You like femmes? You femme for femme?
I was at one point in
Oh,
time.
oh, ow. You,
Not
you the top or the
anymore, but I
bottom?
was.
You,
We
you the
like
top?
that.
You the top or the bottom? I need to know.
Nah, I'm still the top though.
Let's
Oh,
go.
yes, get into it. So, okay, this whole thing, right? I've been seeing a lot of this shit on Twitter where studs are buying like 6-inch dicks or like, like, and I need to know, right? Let's say when you first start talking to like a masculine presenting woman or whatever, somebody that's strapping, is that
Yeah,
a conversation that you have? Like, do you ask like, yo, how big is your dick? Like, is that
most
something that you talk about?
definitely.
See,
Most
okay,
definitely.
because
Mhm.
I feel like as a woman, if I know what I like, I would want to know like what you coming with. But I have seen multiple who have been like, "Oh, this bitch pulled up with this baby ass dick," and I'm like, "What? Why?"
It
And then a lot of,
happens.
and a
Yeah.
part of me wants to know also, like, for the studs, because I'm a handy dyke. I don't be doing none of that. Like, do they not feel like they can manage the bigger penis,
That's what I
or
think it is. I think it's maybe in their alone time they practice and they realize they're not as good as they need to be or can be. So,
oh
um,
shit?
they feel like, and then that's when they start saying things like, "Oh, the vagina is only like 4 to 6 inches anyway. You don't need all that anyway." And then it becomes that instead of just trying to figure out how to
They are saying
use the
that?
larger sizes. Oh yeah, I've been
Oh
told that
no.
before. So,
Oh, did you block them? I hope you blocked them because that's embarrassing. You want me to do what? Listen, listen,
story
listen.
for another
I
day.
just know that the type of nigga I am, I'm trying to knock down that back wall. I don't.
Yeah.
You don't need that much anyways. That just sounds
Right.
like you don't know how to handle it. Like, is it too much moving in you when you like in front of you when you do it? Like, Lord,
Mm.
free the
Mhm.
femmes from the small penis dykes. They have so many options in the stores. I have seen them. I
So
myself have a
many.
decent sized, whatever. I just don't understand. First of all, I don't even listen. Me personally, I don't see myself with a small dick.
Right.
Like,
I don't
what
think
about
anybody should. I don't.
okay,
Yeah.
so listen, femmes or whoever, studs, if y'all getting strapped, y'all need to ask in the beginning stages, like, what you packing? So that when you
Mhm.
pull up to the appointment, you're not disappointed. Cause no, see, I would
Hold on. Don't forget when people show up with shit that they can't manage anyway, and then shit end
oh
up fucked up too. So it's all about
be
knowing your size.
exactly, and being realistic. That's what I'm saying. Have the conversation beforehand, like, hey, what are you used to? What do you prefer? What are you okay with? So that, everybody isn't disappointed or embarrassed. Because listen, a couple of my niggas gonna laugh at you. Like, what? Where you going with that? Like, that's it? You ain't got no more? You got another one,
Exactly.
right? Like, yeah, listen. And I feel like the joy of being a lesbian or having woman on woman sex, you get to choose
Exactly.
the
Why you choosing
parts.
6 inches? You know how many inches they got? Like, That's
Listen,
what I don't
they
understand.
got they got arms, okay?
Right.
Like
They got inches I didn't even know existed.
they
So
got
it's like,
re- they got diameters. They listen, everything you
mm-hmm.
need, like you need like is a wide array. Also, people, cis, het, bi, straight, whatever the hell, non-binary. Listen, y'all need to go to the sex store. If you're
Mm-hmm.
embarrassed, shop online because they have options. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
there's so many options. You don't know. Are you raising your hand or are you stretching? What's happening back there?
Why you minding my
Oh,
business,
I just see your hand up. I thought you was trying to say something. I don't know if you was trying to, say, "Hey, teacher, me have something to say,"
Right, 30
but
minutes.
but seriously, go to the sex store, like do your Googles, figure out what works. If
I
you
thought
see
you
something
said
that
do
might be a little,
Kegels, yo. I
huh?
thought you said do your Kegels, bro. I really
Definitely do your Kegels
That
also.
too.
Please do your Kegels. For the Jamaicans, quintet. You hear me say? Just, yeah. See, kuya. For those who don't know, this is not just for the other person's pleasure. This is for yours as well. It feels great when quint up to something like Kegel it, squeeze it, like it. What's mm-mm. Anyways, like honestly, doing Kegels is good for the pelvic floor muscle. For those who don't know, if you want to be scientific or whatever, but also it feels good sexually. It also feels good for practicing. So, make sure you're doing the Kegels. Do it a couple times a day, quint it and hold it, quint it release, etc. Yeah. Just make sure it's on a quintet, okay?
people run gun. Tip up my seat,
And
yeah.
also, Kegels can be done for men also. Not that I care about what y'all do, but
Wait. Hold on one day go. You know what? You see,
they make it
ratted,
jump. But see, Ashia,
ratted, ratted.
mm-mm.
Yo,
Everything
Juggle
all right?
Star. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Mm-mm.
So all man do Kegels now. Me never know some
They
man can
make
do
it jump.
Kegels.
It's
Oh,
just
that's how I
contracting the
do those.
muscle. Yes,
Oh,
it's
when
just contracting the
them
muscle.
minutes in
Yeah.
it. Oh, that's how I
Yeah.
do.
Mm-hmm. It works
Oh,
on both ends, and they have toys for
Dread,
that for men and
Me
women.
never
So,
know them something to myself.
I mean, you wouldn't, you shouldn't,
No, no,
them
Dread.
is something that concern you. So,
No, Dread.
but yeah, y'all with the little penises, I know there are a lot of women out there who prefer stimulation to penetration, and the 6 inches might be okay with them, but you need to know the person that you're having sex with. Have conversations. Like, I feel like I'm gonna keep bringing up
Y'all just be
kissy
having
face.
sex with people that don't care about y'all and y'all pleasure. Like, period. That's it.
Exactly. And
There's nothing
like,
wrong with discussing like beforehand. What are you into? What do you like? But at least to start it off, so you at least know where y'all
yeah,
starting at.
the
You
basics.
know.
Like, some people feel like foreplay isn't necessary. Some people need foreplay. Some people can't do shit without foreplay,
How
like at
can
all.
foreplay be unnecessary? Anyway, let me mind my business.
Listen,
To each your
listen.
own. But I don't know how foreplay could be just
Because a nigga like
missing.
me,
No
you getting
foreplay.
a couple of them off before we even get to it. Like,
Okay.
I'm not.
That part. That's it.
And I feel like a lot of people are having sex with people who don't understand that intimacy is a part of sex. And if
Right.
intimacy is not a part of sex, it's not going to be equally enjoyable for all parties.
Yes. Talk about
Like,
it.
if you just want to catch a nut, okay, sure. But a nigga like me, I'm looking for like quivers and shakes.
Not
Like,
the
I need
quivers
to
and the
fully
shakes.
enjoy this. Unless I'm having like a quickie, then whatever. But like, I like to be sweaty after sex. Okay, like baby hair stuck to my forehead type shit. Like, I like to feel like, damn, we need to turn on the fan. Me personally.
Oh, I can't. We about to turn on the fan. The fan got to be on already.
I like to be warm in general.
No, can't do that. I gotta start off with the fan and the air on. We ain't gonna play them games over here.
Be that bitch dying for air, like guzzling
Exactly my
water
point.
bottles.
We over here with this one bottle of water, passing it back and forth.
Yo,
Man, stop it. Out here
that ass.
looking like two seals that washed up on water, son. Trying to pass this water bottle around. Like, nah.
Yo, and if you don't understand what we're talking about, I feel sorry for you, because
Yeah.
that be the realest struggle ever. Like, yo,
That
you
shit is
done the water for
hilarious.
real? You couldn't say be like two little
Gasping.
sips?
Gasping for air.
Mm.
Like, ugh. Good times. You have to be there. Not really.
Dead ass. But yes. Honestly though, like the bottom line is like you gotta have conversations with people. Like you're having sex with somebody, like I'm not saying you gotta fall in love with a motherfucker because casual sex is a thing that people do. But if you actually want to enjoy the sex you're having, don't leave it on the other person to just know what to do. You know what I'm saying? Like
Correct.
you got to have conversations. Sometimes y'all just mesh that well. You might get that lucky. But sometimes you might actually have to be like, baby, shift this way. Or, no, I can't
Yeah,
do
like
that.
you
Or,
do sometimes. Sometimes you
you,
do.
I mean, sometimes, there's something them just link up and it's something just work. you know?
Whoa.
But we cannot all be so
Dangerous.
fortunate.
Dangerous
Yo, what?
business.
My
Dangerous
God.
business, fam.
Like, let's say you like a box up. Like, you like to be slapped during sex. If y'all don't talk about this, the slapping might never happen.
Exactly.
Or you might get somebody who's not into it, who's with somebody who is into it. You get one box and then party done.
Exactly.
You can imagine? Oh my goodness. No, sir. Domestic violence. No.
Dead.
Y'all need to have conversations.
Dead. No,
Seriously.
but you're absolutely right because you don't want to do that and then you violate somebody's boundaries without even knowing it was a boundary. Now you in a whole other thing.
Yeah, next you done choke the nigga out. They start crying like, what? Wait,
yeah,
huh?
and then you got the police. Oh, they trying to kill me. Okay. No.
Listen. Linda, listen. Y'all ain't had no conversation. Y'all don't know what people are into. You don't know what's a hard no, what are soft limits, hard limits, etc. Did y'all come up with a safe word? Like, come on now.
All different types
Conversations.
of things. You might like being taped. He might not. You know what I mean? Stuff like that. Speaking of tapes,
Exactly. Shit like
hold
that.
on. That's gonna bring me into what I need to say. Kim Kardashian.
Oh my gosh.
Can I say her
Yes.
name? I already said it. Oh well.
Okay. Whatever.
So
Clickbait.
yeah, you saw right. Did you see this whole like? 'Cause they have a new show again. I've actually watched. We tuned in and watched it. She's basically Ray J them or whoever was saying that they had another part to the sex tape. So it looks like there's more of it out there. So she busy crying and oh my kids and stuff because one of the picture of them looked like they were on Roblox. On the little Roblox and somebody said something about the sex tape. So imagine your kid on Roblox and then all of a sudden somebody says something about a sex tape.
First of all,
So
pause. Before you even get into that, I've been hearing nothing good about Roblox for the past 2-3 years. Why are people still letting their kids use Roblox? Because there's a whole chat and apparently adults are
these
in
parents,
there.
these parents, please.
Continue.
Please. You see what the hell be happening with these kids? Please.
Hmm.
It's crazy. But and she's crying and all this stuff and I'm just thinking to myself, when you was making this, it was cool. And when you was making money off this shit, it's whatever. I don't know. It's like it's hard for me to be like, "Oh my gosh, I feel so bad for you because you was really making money off this shit." And
That's how
now
y'all got
that you
here.
exactly. And now that you have kids is when you're like, "Oh my gosh, wait. All of this stuff, there's more. Oh my gosh, possibly or not really. I don't know. They're trying to figure out if it's really true or not that there's more or whatever." And I'm just like, you really got to know what you're doing. You can't just be making tapes. And you got people make tapes with anybody. People they meet on a first night making tapes. All of a sudden, yo ass out here on the internet. What? Yo.
On a first night?
Oh, you think it's a game? The girls are not winning out here.
No,
They are not
sir.
winning. Mm-mm.
Not the first night. You don't even have
You're right.
nobody's secrets. Where's the like bartering system? Listen, that's how you know I don't trust people. I
No,
need to
you
have
heard
secrets
what
on
I
you
said. All of a
before
sudden,
I could even consider. Like,
yeah, off
no.
first link. All of a sudden, now there's a video of you sucking whatever the hell you sucking on the medias after one little link up.
Mm-mm.
Know what
I'm
y'all
not.
doing, man.
I'm not gonna tell
Choose
nobody
wisely.
what
Damn.
not to do with their life, but do better. Because
Choose wisely.
I definitely saw a clip of it, and she was talking about like, what did it say? Something like, click here to see Kim K sex tape or something. She's like, oh my god, it's still out there, and I'm like,
Yeah, that. Like, girl, this is my thing. I look like I don't feel bad for you.
I don't either.
You were there. You was present. You saw the camera. You also got paid for this.
Hella.
You wouldn't be where you are today without that thing.
Talking about you got enough money to shut it down now. You should have been shut this down.
you you don't want to really shut it down when you're making money off of it. My point.
That too.
Exactly. How hard are you
So
really trying to shut it down when you're profiting?
yeah, time and place. People just be selective with what they, and very good point, because y'all really be out here like letting any and anybody record y'all doing any and anything. Like, when I don't have to look of shame.
No, they don't.
Like,
At all.
I mean,
They don't.
not to be ashamed of what you're doing, because I mean, whatever, but one too many times I've seen things quote unquote leaked on social media,
Yep.
and it's like, how well do you know this person before? And I know you know the camera's there because you looked into the bitch. The flash is
Listen.
on. Like,
Okay, all type of face up and down.
listen, and I just like, okay, so first of all, right?
Mm-hmm.
If any kind of anything is happening, me personally, it's either being recorded on my phone or I have to have a copy of it.
Fact.
Y'all be too
Same.
trusting. Like, I'm
Same.
sorry.
Yeah, they don't have nothing.
I'm-
Nothing. On somebody else's phone and you ain't got no copy, no nothing. Crazy.
Like, and my thing is also, ladies or whoever, if you're having sex with someone and they pull out their phone and they record and they don't ever send you the media, like, you have to ask
Yep.
for it, you don't think that's
Yep.
kind of weird?
Yep.
Like, listen, not good gal enough. I just what do y'all be doing? I feel like y'all don't have no discernment when it comes to like your personal, like your
No, they
assets
don't.
at the end of the
Nope.
day, because those are your assets. You don't know.
I need you to have that. So when I
Jesus.
am not with you, you can go ahead and scroll back on your phone.
Listen, go back
see
and be
what
like,
the
damn,
hell was
babe.
happening, so you know what's going on. So I need you to have that. And
Ex-
I'm not that type of individual anyway to be leaking stuff. I'm not even.
Yeah,
that's not
no, I'm not that type of person either, because at the end of the day, we were both participating. We were both consenting adults. What is the
Why
purpose
you
of
leaking
leaking?
people? It's just that's like it's
Like, for
that's
what?
real.
I feel like
It's
that's
weird.
violating
That's
as
weird
hell. That's
behavior.
that's a different kind of person
Like I
that's
don't
gonna
care
do
how
that.
much beef, whatever. I'm not leaking your ass. Like
Speaking
that's
of, like I said, it's a different type of person that's gonna do that. Ray J, something's wrong with him. Like, something is
general.
seriously wrong with him. The whole "I Hit It First" song, you are obsessed, my
general.
guy. Like,
in general.
obsessed.
There's something wrong with him. In
Like,
general.
seeing how he
Yes.
treats is he still married to Princess? Like, just he
Is
has a
Princess still married
control.
to him? That's the question. That's what you need to ask.
He has a control kink, but he doesn't know how to actually be in control. Like, he's
You need
one
to
of those
watch their
people.
interview.
Oh,
It's
God.
very it's weird. Their energy is weird.
There's a lot of men out there who feel like, I hate that I'm about to bring this up, who feel like they're alpha males, right?
Mhm.
And they're really just bitches in disguise. I
Okay.
personally cannot stand men who like try to harp down on being dominant or being in control, because at the end of the day, somebody that's truly dominant, someone that truly has control, doesn't
gotta
need
say
to
shit.
say anything about it, doesn't need to, first of all, threaten you or do
Fact.
anything in an effort to put fear in you so that they can get their way. They just
Correct.
assert dominance in a way that gives you respect. Like, if you respect the
It's just who
person
they
enough to
are.
let
Like
them
it's on
lead,
'em. You ain't
exactly,
gotta say nothing. Just
exactly.
exude. Just
Like, you just be like, oh
"Ooh."
shit.
Right.
Like, you know what I'm saying? Like, it just makes you want to quote unquote fall in line just off the
Mhm.
strength of respect. Dominance and control does not have anything to do with fear. Like, y'all need to get that out of your
Facts.
head. To, like, first and foremost, like, you don't lead in fear. You can't have somebody respect you if they're afraid of you, because that's how
Mhm.
sneaky shit happens.
Mhm.
Okay, that's my little woo 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 for today. But like, you don't understand how much I hate hearing men talk about being alpha males. That shit pisses me off on a whole nother level, because it's like,
I'm
first
an
of all,
alpha.
what?
I'm an alpha. I'm
No,
an
you're
alpha.
not. You're a
Okay. I'd be
bitch.
like, oh, okay.
You're
I'd be like,
exuding
oh, okay.
toxic masculinity because you feel like you can't be feminine in certain ways with somebody that you're intimate with or having sex with or in a relationship with, because you feel like, quote unquote, a man is supposed to be XYZ. And
Listen,
you know
I'd be
what?
like, wow, you so alpha. You had to
Listen,
let me know that you were an alpha, huh?
listen, I'm going to say
That's
this.
crazy.
My father
Facts.
is like, granted, he done has some dirtbag ways. He might still be a dirtbag as far as his relationships with women, right? But there are certain things about my
It's
father
a Rolling
that
Stone.
exactly. There are certain things about my father that I respect so much because it's like he is a man at the end of the day. He takes care of his
I
children, he takes care of his
second that.
household. None of his kids
Yup.
can say, "Oh, daddy abandoned me." No matter which mother they had.
Child, well,
And not even just
not when I got siblings popping up every year. Let's go.
but
Wait
he
a
keep in
second.
touch with their mamas though. They might not be active in the household.
That part. You're right. Oh,
Jesus
child.
Christ.
I love my
But
siblings. Don't get me fucked up. I love them all.
listen, your siblings are fucking amazing. But you know what I'm saying? Like, and not even just that, it's just certain way that people carry themselves. Like, you have to be able to be soft with the person that you're with in order to truly be like dominant, in my opinion. In my
Mm-hmm.
opinion. I don't know shit though. I'm just here talking. But I feel
Mm-hmm.
like if you can't allow yourself to be soft with your outright woman, like, what the fuck are you doing? Like,
Mm.
nigga, are you gay? Like,
Mm.
anyways, not like there's anything wrong with being gay. Come out the
You know,
closet.
you
It's
know,
warm
you
out
know,
here.
they can't be alpha. It's like that thing I saw on Twitter like last week
Hmm.
about if you a guy and you get spoon, what, and you are the what
The
kind of
little
spoon?
spoon, the small
Yeah,
spoon.
that's gay. Apparently,
What?
to have your
Listen,
woman titties on your back is
I
gay.
love putting my
I
titties
can't.
on a nigga back. What you mean?
It's real ghetto over there in straight land. Let me tell you
Listen,
that.
okay. And you know, it's funny. I entertain the male species, and thankfully, I don't come across too many of these ignorant. I feel like, you know, the Lord knows. Let me knock on wood.
I love the way you put it. That
The Lord
you
knows.
entertain.
The Lord knows not to let certain people cross my path because just so you know, I can't deal with certain level of ignorance. Okay, like I don't believe I've ever dated a man that has had an issue with me spooning them. These titties going on your back, like
So you've never dealt with one, right?
no.
Okay.
I am big spoon. I am little spoon. We are horizontal, sideways, upside down. However the fuck the moment moves in the bedroom. If you feel like, you know, this side of the bed ain't hitting it for you, you gotta roll over. Listen, I'm rolling with your ass. Like, what? Y'all
Friend,
y'all can't
friend, you gotta be awfully cushiony.
what? Soft nice.
You have
Soft
to be very
bad.
cushiony. I
What?
must say, friend.
Listen,
Damn.
fluffy, okay? I feel like I'm a whole body pillow. Like
That was gonna say you gotta be like, listen, just boop, brisk back. Listen, sink in your back.
like y'all be listen, I feel bad for heterosexual women, like cis het women. I really do. I feel like a lot of y'all don't
Sometimes
understand that like at the end of the day, women are the
you matter
prize.
too. You matter too.
If you dating a nigga that feel like he
You
the
matter
prize,
one.
dub that nigga.
You matter one. Not you matter two, but you matter one.
Like dub that nigga. If a nigga don't think that you are the prize, that you are worth like the effort, that you are worth all the
No, girl.
work that
These nowadays niggas think they
they
are the
they bad
prize.
bitches.
They think they are the
They
cat's
bad
meow.
bitches. Hey,
It's
I
all
will
about them.
I will never get over this tweet I saw the other day. I don't know if I said it on the last episode, but somebody said these niggas be in the club on Snapchat with their hookahs while bitches rolling blunts in the club.
This is not a yo. That's
Oh, I
crazy
didn't
when
even
you
talk about
say
this because we just
that.
came back. That happened. I went to Rum Veranda last week, and I definitely saw that happen. Like
Yeah,
five
it's
niggas on one
crazy.
hookah with one hose.
Streets is different. Streets is
Anyways,
different.
and this girl,
COVID just went home, huh?
listen,
So we
this
just sharing
nice
hookah
gal.
again.
It's
We
like
sharing hookah again.
five
Five men,
niggas on one
five
hose.
men to one hookah. One
One
hose.
hose.
COVID just gone. Okay.
They want to pay the
Well,
little extra for the extra hose. It's one hose.
that's
Listen, and literally probably like 5 feet away from them is this little nice gal and a nice gal. So they roll our something. I said, look by you. Like all I could do was laugh.
oh man.
I just, you know,
I
these
love to see
modern
my lady smokers though rolling up in a party though.
yes.
I
I
love
be
to
thinking
see it. I
like,
love
girl,
y'all. But
yes.
my thing is that's just yo, it's just how things are now, yo. It's like God these men, I don't know.
Different badly.
Yeah, I don't know about them. For real. I really
Yeah,
don't know
me
about them.
neither. Me don't want to find out neither.
Fact.
But yeah, so what else we got on there?
What else did I got on? Ba, da, da, da.
Oh, speaking of men not doing shit,
Oh.
I'm sorry, but like,
Uh-oh.
I
Uh-oh.
like people. I, there's a saying, right? If you can't be used, you're useless. And
How
I
you go?
feel
If you
if
can't
you
be what,
can't be
what, what?
used, you're useless.
Okay.
Now, my
Okay.
thing is in the terms of like basic necessities, knowing like the ins and outs of like how to maintain a home, etc.
Mm-hmm.
I feel like a lot of the times when they think about keeping a home, maintaining a home, a lot of that falls on the woman, like, oh, washing, cooking, cleaning, right?
Mm-hmm.
They don't talk about the other shit like plumbing, building a
Mm-hmm.
shelf,
Mm-hmm.
checking the AC vent,
Mm-hmm.
other things that contribute to maintaining a home. And I want one of y'all to come on here and tell me to call a plumber because, bitch, call a maid, call a chef, call a housekeeper, right? You don't know how to change your oil and you're a man? You don't know how to change a tire? Yo, a lot of men don't know how to change tires. And I just. Listen, for me,
Yes.
personally,
Because you date them. So for you.
mm-mm. If I can do it, you should be able to do it too. That's just how
You
I
and Beaver,
feel.
girl.
Me personally. I don't know about other people. Yes, of course, call and hire, whatever, convenience. I have no problem with the convenience, but if you know how to do it, that's the bottom line. Like if you don't know how to do it at all, like I'm stranded on the side of the road, we sitting in the car looking at each other. I'm not interested in that at all.
Mm-hmm.
Like we both sitting there looking at each other. We got a flat on the side of the road, and we sitting there looking at each other like, so we're gonna do call AAA?
Okay, so what if they learned and they don't know right when you get with them?
I'm 32.
Oh boy. Okay. I'm just saying. Like I'm saying, like suppose you met them and then 5 months from then he learned how to change the oil and change the tire.
They never
He
had a
got a
car
circle.
before?
He got to circle back to you when he know how.
Why don't you know this already? We're in our 30s. First of all,
Oh,
I have not
no.
reached my cougar era yet. So I'm still,
Not
entertaining.
everybody knows how to do those things though.
But my thing is, in America, you get your permit at like 16, 15, 16. You get your license at like 16.
You're
Most of you
able to,
hoes
yes.
be driving by the time y'all 18, 19, 20. That's about 10, 12 years that you've been driving and you ain't never decide,
Driving. You said
I
the word
wonder, I wonder
driving.
how this works.
No, they don't. Everybody
They
does
just get
not
in their
do that.
first car like me?
But here's the thing. Comes down to your preference. You would like your guy
Yeah.
made that way. There's women out there who don't care if they
Hmm.
can do that because it's not a thing to them. You either know
Yeah.
how to do it or you don't. I'm not gonna expect you to know everything, but
Yeah,
you
not
have your
everything.
expectations. No, I feel
Yeah.
you, but you have your expectations, your list of things that you want your guy to be able to do.
Yeah, like
And
you don't
some
know,
women, those things are like, well, babe, whatever. We could figure that out.
or
Sure,
call
did that.
someone. Listen, my
Yeah,
thing though,
certain things is like that. Okay.
I'm okay with calling a professional to get it done. I have no problem with paying for convenience. But
Mm.
let's say shit is rough and we just, can't do that right now. What happens then? Like
So
my
you're gonna
thing is
think
okay.
less of him that because he can't do it.
Yeah.
Wow, Janae,
I'm
no.
talking about
Damn,
shit that's
son.
like changing a tire, bro. Like
Yeah, I mean, I feel
I'm not
you.
even talking about like the
I
full oil
understand where you're
change.
coming
Not
from.
even
I
a full
understand where you're
oil
coming
change.
from.
Like you don't know the difference between a Phillips head and a flathead screwdriver. Like
No, that's different.
yeah, like I'm talking about the
But you got
basics
some
because
men that are not like that. But once again, those are not your type of man.
exactly.
So
Yeah, and
that's just
y'all
how
should
that
stay
is.
far, far away from me, please.
Oh my
Because if I have to
gosh.
get out the car with my
Y'all
acrylics
stay
and
far away
change my
from each
tire
other.
myself, listen, you got to get out and walk. Let me stop.
Y'all gotta stay away
But
from each other.
yeah, it's because then you're gonna think like I'm a different kind of person, and like I always say that it takes a certain type of person to bring out like certain characteristics in another person, like whether it be good or bad. So you might not get the greatest side of me if you're a bitch, but
Whoa.
not to
Hold
say
on.
that.
You're an ass.
That's the tequila talking. That wasn't me. That was
Oh,
tequila.
heard.
Yeah, that was
Mm.
tequila. That wasn't me.
Which one? Which
Mm.
one?
Listen, some cheap shit. I think I'm mixing like Cuervo with 1800 Chaser margarita mix.
Whoa, 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 whoa.
It was just one little cup. It wasn't a lot. Cause
It ain't
okay,
Thursday, is it?
it's Tequila Tuesday. Whoop whoop whoop. But you know what
You
it
had the
is?
tacos? 'Cause I know you love a taco
No, I
Tuesday.
did not. Listen, I've been eating healthy, kind of. So I haven't been really eating starch.
Okay, good
So
for you.
no, I'm dying. I miss
So when I
French
see you, you
fries.
gonna look like a new thing, a
Probably
spicy
not.
thing,
I just started going back to the gym today, but I miss French
sweet
fries so
thing.
much. I miss French fries. I miss them
You
so
miss French
much.
fries.
I miss potatoes. I miss pasta.
I had some sweet potato for dinner
Not
earlier,
even sweet potato. I
earlier,
just
earlier.
look at yam and banana, boiled dumpling. I miss
I
you.
want some salt mackerel.
I had some the other day. Sorry.
Yeah, I want some salt mackerel with some like
Mm.
banana and dumpling,
You know
yo,
what's
some
funny?
yam.
Salt mackerel is the
Oh.
only thing I enjoy eating white yam with. I usually don't
Ah,
like white yam, but salt mackerel and white yam, boy, sweet bud.
hold up, hold up, hold up, hold
Hmm.
up, hold up. What? Like you sound like you want to make that or something. Like that
But I
sound
said
like
that's enough. I
something
was
you
thinking.
want to
I
make.
was.
That sound like you know you gonna have company next weekend, and you feel like you want to make that or something like that. However,
That sounds like we
hold
might go
on.
to the Jamaican restaurant down the street
Wait,
and
pause.
get
Though we
breakfast.
brunching though. We brunching.
Mm. You know I love me a good brunch.
I think we brunching. I've
Yeah, I like the
I've
idea
been
of
told of a
brunch.
place that I think we should try go and stuff.
Okay,
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
okay.
Mm. So we're gonna
Are
do
we
that.
sharing this, or are we just gonna discuss and move forward when we link up? Because it don't matter to me
What do
either way.
you
You know I don't
mean?
care.
What do you mean?
You gonna tell me what the hell the place is, or you gonna wait till we get off the
Do you want to know?
podcast?
I'm not even sure. There was like a few options, but
Okay.
I think I want seafood.
Mm-hmm.
So maybe not even brunch, but like I want seafood. Let's say that.
I'm down for seafood. There's a
I'm
lot of
down for
seafood
seafood.
places here, which is hilarious to me. Cause like, where's the water?
I will go like the boiler.
There's one
Let's
of
go
those
there.
by my job, like right by my
Huh?
job.
Huh.
Like I pass it every day going to work.
We're gonna look into it. We're gonna look into it. We're gonna see what's going on.
Yeah, just let me know.
Speaking of igloo, right,
Mm-hmm.
French? Right.
Mm-hmm.
So I did one of those little Instagram polls, right? A couple hours ago. You probably saw it, right? And it
Mm-hmm.
had the girl and the guy dancing, and it said, "Married woman dances with man on a girl's trip. Is she wrong?" And the video is basically the woman,
Push it
flinging
back,
back.
bunny bump
Like,
and
exactly. So, listen, because y'all don't like me and I
whoever
got no
that twenty
followers like
percent
that.
was, whoever that 20% was that said that she is wrong, you're boring.
30, you funny. Is she wrong? 36% yes, 64% no.
The
And you gonna
36% y'all boring.
you know
Y'all
that
probably American.
everybody every, I was just about to say to you, everybody that said no is Caribbean.
Are they all women?
Yes.
Insecure bitches. Anyways,
But the ones that say yes are like white and American. That say yes, she's wrong. So the Caribbean people, of course, are like, no,
oh,
she's
okay,
right.
okay, okay,
Yeah, the
okay.
Caribbean people are
Okay.
like, ain't nothing wrong with it. And then the
Of
whites and
course.
the
Why you got white people on your Instagram? Anyways,
I know a few that snuck past. They all right. They could pass for now.
okay, understood. Because speaking of the conversation that's been happening also over the past week on Twitter about your partner, your non-Caribbean partner wanting to go to Carnival with you.
Let's go.
Bruh, listen, there's a whole
Funniest
vetting.
thread
There is a whole vetting that must
process.
happen before we can even think. First of all, we got to go to a couple of fets together. First of all, I got to see how you move in a fet. If you're not moving, that's first strike right there. Second strike, you got a problem with me catching wine elsewhere? listen, that's 2, 3, 4, 5 strike right there. Like, listen,
I have different strikes.
it's a mentality for me as far as carnival goes.
Yeah.
I
Yeah,
don't
I think I have
believe
different
in
strikes.
like the whole like lifting up and getting on the floor with people if you're in a relationship, because like that's a lot.
It's a
You're doing
lot.
a lot. Like
That,
you getting
yeah.
lifted up and you on the floor
Back
doing
in
the
the day,
most. Like
me, old
y-
school,
in a
bag of my
relationship,
yeah, it's
you was carrying on like this in a relationship, and we were young. You're right. We were young, but at the same time, though,
you
my
being
thing with
funny.
that, I am. My thing with that though is like, as a Caribbean woman, it's legit just dancing. I'm not trying to fuck this person. I probably won't see them again after this dance is done.
But that's the problem. And they were laughing because it was like people were like, do not try to take a vacation to Carnival. Do not take a vacation to Carnival. You will come back with no bay at all.
Listen, unless we are both veterans, there's
Veteran.
no carnival vacation. Okay? If you're not on the road with me chipping same way and throwing waste,
Listen,
ain't no
you catching, I'm catching, or flinging on somebody. Like, who cares?
shit.
Like,
We
we
could be
out here, we
holding
having a good
hands,
time.
flinging and catching together.
I've seen it all the time. I've seen girl put another girl behind her man is whining on the front and they got him sandwich and it's just a good vibe. People be thinking too much and too hard for me. Like, it's dancing. Like,
That's
I
it.
hate it. My thing is, even if you're not like much of a dancer, because I think I dance enough for both of us, right? Even if you're like, just a bobber, head bobber or whatever, as long
Just
as your
vibing.
vibe is
Oh
cool
yes.
and you're chilling, and even
Mm.
if you're not, it's not the biggest thing for you, you're chilling, you're vibing, you're not being annoying, you're not nagging me. It's
I hate
all
a
good with
whole.
me.
Oh my gosh, something is off, bitch.
Oh my gosh, we're not about to do this. We're not about to do
Like,
this.
what is
Quick
off?
story. Quick story.
What is off?
Quick story. Me and Pointless went out one night with an unidentified subject. And because the
An odd
unidentified
sub.
subject wanted to leave the party,
All of a sudden,
she tried to act like, oh my gosh, like something, I feel like something about to happen, bro.
I have a
Nothing was
feeling.
nothing was about to happen. I have a feeling. Ain't got no damn feeling.
And then realized
Nothing.
that niggas was onto their fuckery and stuff. No, it's okay. We can stay if you. Y'all, now my
Ain't had
vibe.
no feeling, bro. It was crazy.
You broke my vibes. We can go now.
Yeah,
Because
we
now
was
I
like,
don't
all
even
right,
want to
let's
be
just
around
go.
you. Like,
Exactly. That shit.
bruh. As long as you have good energy, honestly, like you said, like it's a vibe. Like as long as you're not looking at me stink eye because I want to walk up waist, like
Exactly. That's another thing. Make sure you talk to your partner before you go. Like,
communication.
if y'all gotta set the rules, it's y'all relationship. It doesn't even freaking matter. If you gotta be like, listen, we're not going here to wind up and down. But nobody want to fight at Carnival. Nobody want to fight in a fete. It's too much.
Who
It's
fighting? Me?
fighting, arguing, any of that. Listen, I have argued in a fete. Okay, it's
You are
I
also
have
the
argued in
nice
a
one
fete.
in this twin
Yeah,
on
I
twin
know.
thing
I have
here.
argued in a fete. So I'm too old for that shit now. Like, Megan.
I really wish
No.
one of you bitches would try to argue with me because I want to have a good
Not
time
at
and
Carnival. In
lime.
a fete. Carnival is different. Carnival, Megan left your
Carnival?
club. A
Bumble
fete
club?
is a different story.
Bitch,
But
Juve, Carnival.
you're going to have to go by yourself.
Listen, we can link up afterwards when I'm drunk and we ready to go home.
And then somebody said in the comments, why are y'all as Caribbean people dating Americans?
I mean, yes, okay, and let me get into this, right?
Yeah, you get into it, all right?
Because
You
I
get
have a
into it, girl.
problem. I have a
I want you to get
problem.
into it.
I have a problem. I like bad treatment. So I be feeling like I can give people a chance. Now, I'm also not 100% fully monogamous, and I feel like the only way for me to like be okay with like really being with someone that's not Caribbean, they have to be tapped into the Caribbean culture. They have to be open to the Caribbean culture. They have to have their foot at least in the Caribbean culture for me to be okay with it. They have to like listen to more than just Bob Marley or like, you know what I'm saying?
What about Sean Paul?
I will stab you in the throat.
Mm.
If somebody ever mentions Sean Paul to me as a dancehall artist, I'm no disrespect to Sean Paul, but no, sir. Mm-mm.
Reggae
Like,
pop.
I would be pissed. I would be so
Reggae
pissed.
pop, bro.
Bruh. So like my thing is like everyone that I've ever like given a time of day has been some kind of inclined to Caribbean culture, at least Jamaican culture. Like if they're not up on soca, they definitely know who Cartel is, and they've listened to a couple Idonia. They know about the food. I don't have to explain to them what fucking ackee is and shit. Boy, listen, but they have to have some kind of little sprinkle in there if they're gonna be American. Like for me personally, outside of that though, like straight just Yankee don't know nothing, 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 nothing.
Mm-hmm.
I can't. Like if somebody was to literally sit there and look at me and question me about like carnival at this age, I'm probably going to block you.
But
Like
this is all I'm saying. It's like this is something, this is my culture, this is something I cherish.
it's
And for
me.
me to have to sit here and deal with you and for you to come spoil up my good,
Mm-mm.
good vibes.
Niggas been
And then
doing this shit
you
for
really
30
gotta be ready for
years.
that shit because you chipping for miles. Like it's
Miles. That
let's do this.
that was one of the things I was talking. I don't know if I said it or someone else said it on the comments on that post. Like you have to be ready to actually participate if you want to go to carnival.
Mhm,
Bruh, don't tell me we halfway through the first lap that you're tired. Excuse me, what?
mhm,
Go sit down because
mhm,
I'm gonna keep chipping. First of all, you should be
mhm.
walking up waist or chipping and having a
Crazy.
great time. This is not time for
Crazy.
you to talk about, oh, my feet hurt. Bitch, you should
And
have
the
wore comfortable
carnivals in the
shoes.
US don't know what they talking about. It's the one in the
Listen,
islands for real because not if
first
I've
of all, what is
experienced one
sleep?
on the island. I'm talking about I'm
What
going through the
is sleep?
whole island, bro.
What is sleep?
Yo,
Listen,
it's
St.
crazy, but
Vincent,
it's life.
mm-mm. What was it? We had Color Fet, right?
Mm-hmm.
Color Fet done when the sun came up.
Mm.
Was that Color Fet? Listen, there were so many parties back to back, I can't even friggin' remember. One of them, Color Fet, and the next one done when the sun come up, right?
Mm-hmm.
Actually, no, we left Color Fet and went to the other one. That's what happened. We left Color Fet, went to the other one. That done. Literally, sun come up. We had met a little taxi driver, man. We called him. He came and picked us up, whatever. Bomb. We literally went home, took a nap, probably like 2 hours. Go down the
Mm-hmm.
street, go get our shirts for Juve, and was
Right.
at within 3 hours. We were late because we
Mm-hmm.
went to go sleep, nigga. We in America too long. We was late, right?
Yeah.
Mind you, we drinking strong rum and dragon. Strong rum for y'all is
Mm-hmm.
sunset rum. If y'all don't know, St. Vincent's, boy, right? Then we
Hell nah.
that shit ran into the night. Like I think we probably got there probably about noon. Ran into the night, into the next morning. Like what are feet at this point? I don't feel anything. I just feel liquor and vibes. Like
Mm-hmm.
what? There are people sleeping on the side of the road. If you feel a way about this, don't go to carnival with somebody. Like you step
Mm-hmm.
over them and you keep going. Some of them smell
And
like
keep it
dirty old
pushing.
ram goat. But listen,
Okay.
like
Listen, let's not talk about listen. This is when I learned we're going to Carnival Party Island and say, listen, if you have to piss, my side, but that people piss in
on
an
the side of a
costume.
road or that.
Listen,
People who throw water on themselves after they pee pee on themselves.
that, that, and that's exactly you, bruh.
Because listen, first of all, porta potties, what? You're better off just peeing yourself.
Exactly, but ain't nothing wrong with it. Ain't nobody worried about it. It's Carnival, man.
Exactly. And just to take away, I'm just saying, if you have proper hygiene, the little people not gonna stay up on you too long if you dash little water
That's
on it. But just I
facts.
say,
That's facts.
you know.
That's That's facts. Anything, I just feel like it come down to your relationship. Y'all supposed to know what y'all got to do, but I don't feel like I'm gonna sit here and have no rules and regulations about what I can go out and do if I'm not doing anything that's disrespectful. Get a grip on yourself.
Exactly.
And what kind of damn state is your relationship in? Is if we go out and I'm dancing with someone, this is the culture, this is what we do, and you getting all up in your feelings about it. I feel like our relationship is fragile as fuck.
Bruh. For one little piece of wine.
That shit is thin,
That's literally
real
it. That's what I was
thin,
saying with the video that you posted. I had wrote you and I was like, all she was doing was dancing.
bruh.
And the fact that they were listening to soca in the background, I was like, this is obviously a fet. It's probably a
Yes,
somebody boat ride.
Yes.
This is just a dance.
This is what I'm saying. And if you look in the comments, I see a lot of people. I just know they not Caribbean nothing. You can tell.
Mm-hmm.
And a lot of them is like, oh no, she for the streets, divorced, it's a wrap. Da, da, da. I'm like, she divorced.
For real.
I was like, she went on a girls trip with her homegirls, and y'all go to strip clubs like every other night. What is the difference of what's going on here?
Exactly. Exactly.
What you think she gonna do on a girls trip? I don't got time to worry about that. Go have a good time.
And my thing with that
If
too is like,
we grown. You know what you're supposed to do, and you know what you're not supposed to be doing. It's real
exactly. I'm
simple.
sure there was a
That's it.
conversation that was had with her and her spouse that was like, hey, I'm gonna turn up this weekend.
Okay, babe.
All right, have fun. Don't do nothing I wouldn't do. Like, that's
That's
legit
my
my
thing. You grown.
advice. Don't do nothing
grown.
I wouldn't do. Don't do nothing you're
That's
gonna
all
regret.
I always say, you grown.
Exactly. You know what you should and shouldn't be doing. I shouldn't have to sit here and be
Mhm.
like, rule number 1,
You
no
better
short
not.
shorts.
Yeah, exactly. You ain't doing
Rule
that
number 2, like, you know who you married. It's either you trust their judgment and their intention or you don't. And it's as simple as that in literally any relationship. If we get to the
Listen,
point where we're
I've heard
boyfriend and
of
girlfriend, girlfriend and girlfriend, boyfriend and boyfriend, whatever, you should have enough trust within that person to know certain boundaries that they would or wouldn't cross. Now, a lot of y'all be getting cheated on and y'all be knowing that this person is a
damn,
cheater
nigga. Damn, can you
and y'all be trying to
have a
like
heart?
look past it. And
That's a
y'all
lot
be
of y'all
knowing.
niggas.
Y'all be having gut feelings. A lot of women be having gut feelings and be ignoring them. I mean, I was a victim at one point, you know, trying to give people the benefit of the doubt. But
Mhm.
you know, y'all know who y'all be dating. Y'all know. You can tell by the kind of conversations that y'all have, the kind of interactions y'all have, how people act when y'all go out, if y'all do go out together. Like, all of that shit is shit to pay attention to. So you see somebody on a boat ride or wherever the hell throwing back and having a great time. I'm like, oh, she's married. Okay. And then what? If her husband don't care, then her husband don't care. Why you worried about it?
Exactly.
But whatever though. Eh. What else you got? Because I think that's all I have right now. I got my good gal of the week, and then
Damn. What was the last thing? Yeah, something I had already talked about in the previous episodes. I have already said that when they started to open up things again, I know things are gonna get crazy. I know people are gonna do a lot, but damn, son,
bruh,
can
bruh,
y'all?
bruh.
I don't know. Jamaica open up again.
How much people got in Jamaica already? I'm hating so hard.
Bruh, listen, I'm hating, but Miss
Nobody
Soon
else.
come, wink, wink.
Nobody
Soon
else not
come.
open. Everybody just going to Jamaica just so like. Leave my little country alone, please.
Yeah, that's what
so that I can go home. You know, that's the people that build house for them.
I swear. But hear us, jealous bitches.
Bad
Dead.
mind.
Black fuck. What did I say? Yes, so all the part of them sons and FOF and
Okay, hold on.
yeah,
What the fuck does FOF stand for?
wait, Festival of Floats, right?
Okay.
Right? Festival of Floats. Festival of Floats. Yeah, that's it. So I guess they have like a whole bunch of floats in the water,
Mhm.
whatever the hell. Okay. So that looked like rain come down upon people. It looked like a lot of rain. And it looked like traffic from Yasso to Yasso for miles. Enough people who are going to even get to reach a party. That's one thing. The traffic is messed
Hold
up.
on. Nico had me dying on his story.
I love him.
Bootleg Rockstar for those of y'all who
about
don't
the
know.
outfits and shit.
Not even just that, about how something wash out. He was like, I'm just hating because I'm sitting here in my house watching y'all stories.
Mm-hmm.
He had me cracking up. I was like, sir. Like, also, some disturbing things that I've also heard about Sands. People were dropping air tags in group of girls like their coolers.
Wait, hold on. Okay, so Sands, all right, go on. So they were dropping air tags and people so to follow them?
Yes. Like groups of girls were finding like air tags in their coolers. This one girl was talking about how she was driving to Portmore,
Crazy.
and as soon as she had left out the venue, she peeped a car behind her. But
That's
lucky for her, she lived in a gated community, and you can only get in if you're a resident or if you're buzzed in. So when she turned in, she saw the car make a U-turn or whatever. But I'm like, the man follow you all the way go Portmore?
Crazy. That's crazy.
I was like, me not driving our precinct.
No, for real.
We gonna pull up right in front of this fucking JCF.
Right. Dead ass. It looked like sounds looked like it was fun. I'm glad to see everybody outside and enjoy themselves dancing nice again. So
Listen,
be a dirt.
I can't wait for
Let's go.
Igloo for that.
Listen, I'll be a stir fry.
Yeah.
Yo, I love it.
Speaking
I'm in love
of
with it.
Shelly Ann
However,
Fraser Price,
she cute, but you know I still got my beef with her.
I know.
But I got my beef with her. But
My dancing babe.
my issue was with the accidents already. So many people. I said this too. Like as soon as they open up, people gonna start getting crazy and getting wild. I need y'all to chill, okay? I'm tired of about accident. I'm tired. Every time I look on the news, it's something, right? Like, or on Instagram or Twitter, somebody dead yasso, somebody dead yasso. I saw a video, like these people, it looked like the carrying. I saw them gully on fire. The guy in that video, burn off. And then
Oh
the girl,
wow.
like, yeah, right this up by fear, but the job burn off. Yeah, like it was crazy. I was like, "What's this?" And then the next accident happened again. I go out and party, y'all. Y'all relax. Don't kill yourself trying to get to these parties, yo.
Seriously, they're coming again.
Reach. If we know, like enough of speed for reach where, don't go.
Sands is an ongoing thing. Sands not going nowhere.
This is what I'm saying. All of these party gonna start rule all summer. Party go there everywhere, every day, anytime. I swear, like beer day party. I gonna see how much party.
I already know.
Exactly. So no rush. Like everybody rushing to get out, but that could be like your last party. Please relax. Like.
Be mindful of what you're doing and what the other people around you are doing.
Yeah,
always.
That's here too because Minu said when I start getting nice, yes, again, and I know how y'all get in the summer, rowdy. So
listen,
be easy, folks.
Oh,
up top too.
Did we talk about how there's no more mask mandates in airports?
No, we ain't talking about it. But go ahead.
Y'all want me to sit in a plane with hundreds of people?
Not me though. Not me though.
For hours?
You're played because my mask is always a thing for me now. I don't care.
For hours in an enclosed space with a whole bunch of people who could have been on a connecting flight from all types of different parts of the fucking world.
I'm okay. I will always have my mask in an airport. No thanks.
Bruh, I will be the only nigga in there with a mask on. I do not care.
That's a fact. I'm definitely gonna keep my mask.
Y'all are nasty. This pandemic has taught me how nasty y'all are. Y'all really don't wash y'all hands. Y'all don't brush y'all teeth. Y'all are fucking gross. Like,
yep, I'm definitely gonna keep the mask thing.
I am of the era of Osmosis Jones, and I think about Osmosis Jones every single day that I go in public. Every single day that I go out in public and I am the only nigga in a fucking room with a mask on, I think about Osmosis Jones every time. Because what? Nah.
You stupid, son. No, but nope. I'm gonna keep the mask thing definitely for the airport. Don't play.
Like y'all trusting bad.
Yeah, it's just time to let go. Nah, I'm all right. I'll keep mine on just a little bit.
Just a little bit. I need better, like, I don't trust y'all. Sorry, it's my health at the end of the day.
That's what I'm saying. As long as they don't start with, you can't wear mask over your face shit again.
Oh, God.
Because remember, in some places, you can't have no face covering, right? No shit over your head or your, like, no hoodies and shit like that, whatever. I hope they don't start that shit because I'm going to be like, well, y'all got the game fucked up.
You already know what kind of places they're going to start that in. Oh, yeah, speaking of, you don't need a concealed weapon license to carry in Georgia anymore.
I heard. I read. Yeah.
As if these motherfuckers ain't already crazy.
You know what's so funny?
And reckless.
It's funny how they do these things, like, at certain times. You're doing this right in time for summer, aren't you? Like, it's convenient to me.
I'm finna go on this website and go buy my gun.
We know which jackasses are going to take advantage of this. Okay.
My friend was telling me that there was a lot of arrests in Texas when they first did that because people were still trying to bring their guns into places that you legally cannot bring a gun, like a school or church. This is the problem with, like, people talking about, oh, my Second Amendment right to have a gun, blah, blah, blah. Okay. Do you know that there are laws that protect certain establishments from having guns within them? Like, you can have your gun outside if you want to go walking the dog, sure. But if an establishment blatantly states that you can't have a gun in there, you can't be like, oh, it's my no,
That
it's
shit's
not.
crazy. That
No,
shit's
it's
so crazy
not.
to me. You was outside mowing your lawn and you just have your gun on your hip. What the hell going on?
Bro, people just be wanting to be so quote unquote hyper vigilant and want to be so extra, like, and the fact that they be wearing it so people can see it just makes you just be like, you ain't never had shit in your life, huh? You just
That's what it is. And but see, those be the people that be itching to use their shit and then do something
yes, trigger figure
stupid. I'm not.
happy.
Ugh, it's dangerous.
Very, and I am not
It's
looking forward to
dangerous.
it.
Mm-mm.
I'm not.
But you good. You all niced up. Got your
You
piece yet?
funny. No, that's what I said. I'm finna go on this little website and order my shit because I already know what I want, and I've been looking at
I'm
it.
glad you're finna go. I'm finna go.
That's the tequila
You need to
again.
go home. Go home and come back.
Yo, I'm gonna come back sounding like, oh my goodness, don't do that.
About you finna go. Say that
Yeah.
to go say that to your daddy.
Are
And see
you
what he
crazy?
say.
I don't even
I'm
speak
daddy,
any
I'm
kind of.
finna go. Smack, I'm finna go shop.
First of
Like,
all,
because what?
if I even speak standard English to my father, he'd be like, "Hey, don't do that." Like he'd be like, "They gave you
No
this
better with
nigga."
the twanging thing.
Hey,
No better
this
with
nigga
that.
told me they gave me too many words.
Oh shit.
I was trying to explain to him about what was it? Was it social media? I think I was talking to him about like the algorithms or something. He was like,
Mhm.
they gave you too many words. Can you just break that down in layman's terms? I
Okay,
was like,
layman's terms, please.
how dare you? He was like, you know what the problem is with your generation? They sent y'all to school and they gave y'all too many words because you could easily say XYZ, but you want to do XYZ, da 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 da. And I was like, you're not wrong.
Okay.
But but yeah, I was like, sir, don't do me. Please don't, because I wasn't even trying to go there with you. But mm-mm. I'm trying to say something Chipotle again. My goodness. Mm-mm. You can't hear me?
I can now, yeah.
Okay, so we're gonna cut this shit off right here because I'm not gonna do this again. Mm-mm.
All
Nope.
right.
So we touched all of those things. Yes, yes, yes. Perfect. Great. All right. You have any parting words for the people?
Man, I don't know. Be safe, everybody. That's all. Just be safe.
Literally, that's it. Just be safe. Anyways, make sure y'all subscribe to us on all the social media things. We are on YouTube with all the unboxings on moldings, craftings, etc. We have Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, Pointless Talks. Pointless Creates is on Twitter and Instagram. You can listen to us on so many streaming platforms. I am making efforts to add us to many, many streaming platforms as times go. Listen, the goal is to be on every streaming platform you can think of, every single one of them. So little by little, I'm doing my little research. I'm getting shit in order so that we can be where you are,
Yeah.
essentially. And with that being said, we are now on Amazon Music and Audible. So if you use those to listen to your podcast or music or whatever, Pointless Talks is now available there. Just stay tuned for all the other platforms that we're being added to, and make sure you subscribe, tell a friend to tell a friend to tell a friend. And just
Yep.
like every other week, everything else we do over here at Pointless Talks, Pointless Creates, Pointless Everything, whether you got here on purpose or by fate, thank you so much for listening to this episode of Pointless Talks.
Peace out.
Bye.